Well, here we are at the place called Ville, as you can see, and it is an abandoned hotel. Apparently it was built in completed in 2008, and as soon as it didn't even open, apparently, from what I've been told. It never opened, and it just got left, and due to the financial situation in the world in 2008, the crashes everywhere, financial crashes, the company went bust and it never actually managed to open. So all these are apartments or rooms with little outlets underneath them, I think. According to who I've been told, all the rooms are furnished. It's as it should be as a hotel, and there's a big round one in a minute. I'll put the drone up in a little while and show you. All these are the backs of the apartments here. Not very pleasing to the eye at the moment. All overgrown, been left since 2008. Nobody's ever stayed here. Well, as far as I know, nobody's ever stayed here. Like I said, the rooms are furnished. But this is a public highway, so there's cars parked here. I don't know where they belong, where they go. Anyway, I'll show you a bit more in a minute. Well, here we are at the top of the road where I just videoed, and there's the end of the block there, and that's another block of flats, apartments, rooms, whatever they are here. And as you can see, this is all overgrown, weeds everywhere. Huge, great place. And there's the backs of some more apartments or rooms or whatever they are over there. And the view over, you can see right away over to Ville in the distance and Corteria. And there's the other building there. It's like a circular shape on stilts. See more about that in a minute when I put the drone up. As you can see, Ville is the name of the hotel, and the reception apparently is just over here, but I don't think there'll be anybody there today. I think there's a 24-hour security guard here 7 days a week. Loads of parking here. I think this is a bus pull-in here, and I think there's some residential apartments or villas or whatever they are a bit further along from what I saw earlier. As you can see, it's a circular building. They've even got a kids play area here. Obviously it's a bit of a mess now, but it's been left ever since 2008. 2 stories high by the look of it, with some outlets underneath it maybe. I don't know, maybe a restaurant. But like I said earlier on, apparently all the rooms are fully furnished. There's another view. You can see the kids' playground there. It's a shame it just got left. Everything just got left. It's like as if they just locked the door and walked away from it. Doesn't look in too bad a condition. A few holes in the wall over there. But when I put the drone up in a minute, you'll see what I mean about the views. It's a stunning location. there you have it. There's the view. You've seen the view from the drone. There's somebody walking their dogs down there, so I won't carry on any further. But there's the outside of the hotel. So it's a bit of a mess, but it'll soon clean up, I suppose. Apparently, I've been told, or I've heard on the grapevine, that something's happening next Monday, the 8th of January. They're going to start doing some work here. I don't know what they're going to be doing, but watch this space, I think. Maybe this will be. Oh, apparently it's on Trivago. You can actually see this if you go onto the Trivago website. I'll put the link in below. Go onto the Trivago website, and this Ocean Ville is actually listed on Trivago. You can't stay here though, so I don't know why it's there, but there you go. Found that out the other day, and yes, I checked it for myself and it's still there. So there you are. There's the abandoned hotel in Albufeira. Hopefully next time we come it'll be up and running. Never know, might even stay here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for any notifications. See you in the next one.